Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether you can have multiple accounts with NorthOne. So, can you have more than one NorthOne account? The answer is generally no. You cannot open multiple separate business checking accounts for the same business with NorthOne. However, there's a feature that helps you manage your money as if you had multiple accounts, and that's their envelopes feature. Envelopes are a budgeting tool that allows you to set aside money within your single NorthOne account for different business expenses. Think of them as sub-accounts. You can create an envelope for taxes, another for payroll, and another for rent. This helps you organize and budget your funds without the complexity of managing multiple full accounts. The money in these envelopes is still part of your main account balance, but it's visually separated to help you keep track of your finances. This system is designed to provide the benefits of having multiple accounts, like better organization and financial visibility, without the hassle of managing separate bank accounts, each with its own login and set of rules. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.